How to fix Instagram could not load activity. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and check your internet connection. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if it helps. If not, then try turning airplane mode on and then turning it off again. You can also try to restart your router or modem if the Wi Fi that you are using is unstable, as sometimes slow or unstable connections block the activity feed. Next, once you have opened Instagram, swipe up on the screen and further close the app completely and then reopen it and try again. Force quit all the apps running in the background as this will clear temporary glitches. See if it is fixed or not, and if not, then open Instagram again and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the bottom and log yourself out of Instagram. Next, close the app and then open the app again and log back in and see if that fixes your issue. If not, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, tap on the Instagram option and further tap on the Offload app option. This will remove corrupted data that blocks loading. Next, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure Instagram is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. And if it is already up to date, then you can also try to uninstall the app and reinstalling it again. Reinstalling clears cached data and often fixes persistent bugs. Also, you can also go ahead and check if your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as outdated versions sometimes cause compatibility problems. And if nothing fixes your issue, then open Instagram on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then scroll down and you will see the option for help. Tap on that and then tap on the report a problem option and further go ahead and describe the issue. Make sure to be very informative and descriptive while typing in your issue for better responses. This will help them diagnose the account side bugs or server issues. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram could not load activity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.